How to comment with a photo on TikTok. Here's a quick guide to help you use this new feature. First, make sure your TikTok is fully updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update if the option is available. After that, go back and tap on TikTok on your iPhone. Now open any video you want to comment on. Tap the comment icon, then select Add Comment. If your account has the feature, you'll see a small photo icon near the text box. Tap it to open your gallery, then choose a picture you want to post. You can crop the image, add text, or draw on it before posting. Then tap Done. After that, simply write your comment and tap Send, and your photo will be added with your comment. If you don't see the photo option, don't worry. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu. Then open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to free up space and tap on it. And clear cache and downloads, and tap Clear. Restart the app and check again. And that's it. You can now comment with photos on TikTok easily. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and Snapchat tutorials.